Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with OpenAI Assistants API for tool authentication flows step by step clearly. To authenticate with the OpenAI Assistants API, start by registering for an account on the OpenAI platform. Once registered, log into your account and navigate to the API section of the dashboard. Here, you will find the option to create an API key. Click on the Create API Key button. This will generate a unique key that you will use for authentication. Make sure to copy and securely store your API key. Next, open your development environment or code editor. In your project, install any required libraries for making HTTP requests. For Python, you might want to use libraries like requests or HTTPX. Now, begin by importing the necessary libraries in your code. Set up the endpoint URL for the OpenAI Assistants API. The base URL typically looks like this: https://api.openai.com/v1/... Next, create a header for your API request. Include the API key in the headers as follows: authorization, bearer your _API_KEY. Now, you are ready to make your first API request. Choose the right endpoint depending on your intended action, such as creating or updating a tool. Construct your request and include any required parameters in the body. Use JSON format to structure your request data. After assembling the request, send it using the libraries method for executing HTTP calls. Handle the response by checking the status code for success or error messages. If your request is successful, parse the response data as needed. In case of an error, review the error message for debugging. Always ensure that your API key is not exposed in public code repositories. Consider implementing environment variables to store sensitive information securely. Once you have authenticated successfully, you can now explore the full functionality of the OpenAI Assistants API. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.